Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I've made shrimp alfredo or shrimp fettuccine. Yes, that's what I made. Shrimp fettuccine.
My favorite when I go to Red Lobster, this is what I like.
That is true.
That's
whether
like.
shrimp, lobster, crab, it doesn't matter as long as it's fettuccine.
Yes.
Right?
This is what I like.
So right here I have the shrimp fettuccine, I have broccoli, and I have some 5 cheese toast or garlic bread. Right? Okay, but it's 5 cheese. So I hope you guys had a great weekend.
Yes, I hope y'all missed us. Because I know y'all did. We missed y'all too, but you know it's like that already. We already know we ain't even gonna get to that already, you know? But we outside though, remember that.
I'm drinking.
Not too first, we outside?
We outside.
Alright, just remember that. But listen.
Ooh, hot.
Real talk, we missed y'all family, but you know how it is already. You know how it goes down sometime, you know? But we are back. But listen. Got the story time for the video yesterday, you know? So let me consume some food. I'll let you know what
it's
it's
a little bit different. But
it's a little bit different, but we're gonna speak about it today because we got the food today.
We like to keep you guys updated what's going on, right?
Yes.
As much as we can. The shrimp here look like it's gonna be juicy. It's big, man.
Let me get shrimp. Let me get shrimp. Can you get more shrimp, let me?
Come over here and see what happens.
But yeah, family, yes.
Ooh. I put some Cajun seasoning on these shrimps.
I love fettuccine. At first I said, okay, what kind of fettuccine? I don't like fettuccine.
Ooh.
Okay, there. It's the cheese bowl for me.
That looks real good.
Wow. Family. So tell me what we missed. What we missed out on. What opportunities we missed out on, or what news we missed out on. Because we've been gone for a week. Let us know. Whenever you're ready to talk, talk.
Don't forget to share the video, like, and subscribe. What you guys waiting for?
Do what first did he say? First did he said it already. What? No, that's not true.
I don't know what they're saying. What they're saying? They're only talking to you today?
That's not true. No. No, we didn't quit.
This is good.
We didn't quit.
Okay, they thought we quit?
Yeah. No. Why would y'all think that?
We got so much stuff planned.
Oh, God.
It just takes time.
I don't know, but why would y'all think that, though? So who been saying that? Okay. All right.
First of all.
Oh, that's why y'all didn't. Hold on.
It's okay, baby.
It's not because of that smash and pass, and then first days that you smash Dexter up with all this talking them. No, we didn't break up. Come on now. Come on now. Only the bad people would think that. We still here. You know it was because of that. Yeah, we had a problem after that. No. We didn't have no problem after that. Everything is good, but what else you think? Y'all know what time it is already. It's around that time. You know what I'm saying? It's around that time, but we all good.
The holidays are coming.
Yeah.
Well, holidays are already here. It's gonna be, what, Halloween? You guys celebrate Halloween? I think we asked you this last year. But we have more family members now, so let us know.
Yeah. Here, I don't want to put it to y'all because I don't want it to fall. But y'all can take as much as y'all want.
My mother, growing up, didn't allow us to celebrate Halloween.
Oh, you can tell your mom, yeah. Go ahead, talk your thing. I can give you a little speech after that too.
Because in Jamaica, we don't have that. Okay? So, when it comes to America, you know, you want to do what the Americans are doing, the American kids them are doing. My mom said, no, you're not do that. So, when I had kids, I decided that if they want to do it, I'm okay with it. If they don't want to do it, I'm okay with that too. But you know they want to do it. So, and Richard and I have fun doing it with them. Because we get a lot of candy.
Yeah, I like it. I bring my own bag.
Yeah.
I bring my own trick-or-treat bag too. But to piggyback on what first they said, you done talk? Okay. To piggyback on what first they said, me, in our religion, as I said, I grew up in a 7th-day Adventist. We didn't really celebrate Halloween either. But again, we didn't celebrate, but my mother would make us do it, you know? Again, but
she would let you guys do it.
Yeah, she would let us do it.
That was nice.
And in Halloween, right? Growing up in New York, it was crazy. We be having egg fights. Y'all had that before? Yeah, heard about that? We be throwing eggs at people in Halloween time. Usually I didn't want to go to school because if you go to school they egg you. We did that in New York. I don't know. Comment down if you're from New York, if you know what we're talking about.
Do they still do that?
I'm saying.
Because that was a long time ago. We old people.
Yep. Halloween and Freshman Friday. When you're a freshman, you never go to school, family, because they beat you up. But Halloween, we
They beat me up.
Yep.
I
never get beat up, but family. But listen, it was fun. We used to have blocks versus different blocks in egg fight. Oh my God, family! All the supermarket them would be out of egg.
Oh,
we buy
wow.
the eggs and buy the dozens. You know what we do sometimes? We buy the egg them. Sorry.
You freeze them?
Not freeze them.
Oh.
No. We don't. We buy the eggs them, and then keep them till they get spoiled a little bit. Oh, that's the worst part.
Oh my gosh.
And when it's Halloween time, nobody trick-or-treating. We go into war.
Yeah. So Halloween in New York is not really about trick-or-treating. It's about war.
Throwing eggs at each other. The supermarket, them used to run out of eggs. You know what I'm saying? But it was fun though, but we didn't really celebrate it. But as the rest of us, they said we have kids, so we made them do it. What about y'all? Do y'all celebrate it? Yo, the fettuccine nice and thick mayo. I love thick stuff.
What? You like thick stuff?
Yeah, thick stuff. Wow. Yes, don't worry. I'm gonna tell you what went down. Just chill, family. Let me just chill out for a little bit. Let's talk. Let's chop it up, cause we ain't talking a long time.
A long time.
Yes, you already know. I was mad. You know that already, but it's all right. That's life.
He was mad.
We're gonna get the opportunity, but it's gonna be bigger.
He was so close, family. I mean, so close.
All right.
Somebody stole their spot.
Stole our spot, but it's all good. It's all love. But here we're gonna go down now.
Huh.
Okay, family. Tell them now. Cause I know y'all wanna hear it. I hope I'm being on you. So, family, listen. Shout out again. D. Friga. Cool, humble guy.
All of them.
All of them. Everybody. This whole squad. Everybody is cool and so humble. You know what I'm saying? Very cool. So anyway, family. You know how I love basketball. As I know already. So anything with basketball, I follow. You know what I'm saying? So one day I'm just on YouTube, strolling around, be nosy, and he popped up on my recommendation. From I see basketball, I said yes. And the worst, he went to a D3 basketball school, college, Mount Union in Ohio. If you're from Ohio, comment down if you know who D. Friga is, if other people watches that, like basketball. Yeah, so I heard, wow. D3 player? if you know basketball is Division 1, Division 2, and Division 3. So if you play Division 3, they think you're not good, but you're good. There's some people that play D3 that could play D1. So D1 is the first place you could be that's a top notch. But not because you're in D3, I mean you're suck. I'm saying? But he used to have his college game days and stuff like doing a vlog. That's how he started. So okay, I started watching because it was entertaining. Start watching him. I said, damn. So I gave him a subscribe the first day.
So fast?
Yeah, man, I subscribe fast, man. Yeah, family. So I subscribe fast because I like is the way he is. You know what I'm saying? And whatever. So I subscribed. So I started watching him more often. And I found out he was from Florida. Yes, Florida. Not like 4 hours away from me, like about 4 hours. Not too far in Fort Myers. I said, wow.
Wow.
He definitely got a next follower. So okay, thought follow him. So then he started his. Yes, I know a lot. I was watching him. He reached far in his basketball thing, but through a corona, he stopped him from going to the NCAA. Yeah, but they won their conference and stuff like that. So he didn't get to go to their, because they won their conference and whatever. He didn't go further, and that was his last year. So anyway.
Oh man.
Piggyback to that. Fast forward now. I found he was from Fort Myers. I said, wow, he just got to live right here. So I told First Lady, I started telling her about him, and then she started, you know what I'm saying? She started watching him with me and stuff like that. So I said, anywhere. So he started the basketball run down. Like he go different cities and play. So anywhere this guy comes, I have to go play him, or I'm going to where he lives to go play him.
Damn, you're a stalker, my youth.
You know. So I said, all right. So he was having a tournament a while back in where he lived. You know what I mean? Because he had a whole real basketball full court in his yard. So he was hosting a tournament. So I hit up my people like, yo, listen, we got to go out there. You know what I'm saying? We got to go out there, go play him, and we were going to drive to Fort Myers. But he didn't have it. So anyway, he's doing his run, going to different cities. And then, wow, I found that he was coming here. I said, wow. Family, I was ready to call out of work, family. At First Lady said, you wanna go? Go. I said, but damn, I gotta go to work. I said, you know what? Cause I know every time he played basketball, he go to somebody's city, he play like about 6 o'clock, 6 to 5 o'clock. So I said, when First Lady was talking, I said, listen, I could go to work and then go meet up, cause he's in my city, as you've seen in the video. You know my city. All right. So when you see me, holla. All right. So I said, First Lady, sitting on the bed talking. I said, First Lady, what should I do? I said, I want to play him so bad. First Lady said, listen, you want to play him? You've been talking about it. You've been watching this guy, and you need to go play him.
You need to go play him.
First Lady, if I tell First Lady something and I'm passionate about something, First Lady push me to it.
Yep.
That's my sidekick. She piss me off sometimes. Hey, my friend is sitting on the bed. I'm talking to my dogs on the phone. Like, yo, we outside. We gotta go. We outside. No matter what, we have to pull up. I'm saying, yeah, you seen him in the picture. That's family right there. You know what I mean? That's the real hooper right there. So, anyways, long story short now. So, he said, yo, we gotta go. I said, damn, first I'm about to call out from work. Yes, I said I'm about to call out to work to go play basketball. He, so what? I want to see somebody and I follow somebody. I said, if y'all want to see somebody, I want to go follow. You know what I'm saying? All right. So first they said, you don't have to call out. If you're going to play 6 o'clock, you just go to work and then you just leave early. Because the park is just right down the block from me. I said, yo, I'm out there. The whole day I'm inside the house, working out. At first it is, I'm there getting in shape, doing push-ups and everything. Because listen, family, their team is no joke. They got a nice team. The clips that we show you is nothing. Everybody on their team could play. And I'm telling people that you can't mess around with them. You have to go with your A game. I'm not gonna play with anybody I just play with. I had to go with my squad. So we had our squad. We had our 5. We was ready to get buckets. So anyways, what was I saying now, First Lady? So, yes, I went to work. In the night, the whole night, I couldn't even sleep. I was so frigid. I just want the day to come. I would just go. I was talking about it forever. I want to play. But in my mind, while I was saying that, it was a good time. In my mind, when I was saying, I'm like, damn, to first, I'm like, yo, I think if I go, I might not play because all about the kids, them, everybody want to have next. Even if they're not good, they still want to play him. You know what I'm saying? So I know my team would have been a good game and the other team that played him first.
Yep.
All right. So I said, all right, that's my only fear. I wasn't worrying about going against him because basketball, you go against other players and good players and stuff. So I'm used to doing that already. So I wasn't worried about, oh, do what happened? You know what I'm saying? We're going to ball. You know what I'm saying? So listen, the day came now, left, came home, got something in my stomach. First, it was already ready. First, he came out with the cameras and everything. So I'm like, damn, why would you? I'm like, I hope we could play. I hope we could play. So as I said, when you see me walk in the park, she recorded, and as we said, we have 6 downs. Number down 6. So we were gonna play 6 in 6. We was like, yes, we're gonna get on the court. The first they said, listen, if y'all don't play in 6, y'all not gonna play at all because usually they play like about 4 games and stuff like that. But they was playing because it was our park was lit.
Because six games straight is a lot.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, 6 games straight is a lot, and if you're playing to 15, it's a lot.
Because I came and played 1 game, so I know 6 games is a lot.
So family.
And they didn't get off the court. They didn't stop. They played 6 games straight. They took, a break for 5 minutes, but the break was only because everybody was jumping on the court and wanting to see them. But
yes.
So
the first day, so I said, damn, all right. So you already saw the clip. I already put buckling my shoes. I'm hyped. In my like, damn. In my head, while I'm buckling my shoes, I'm like, damn. I hope we could play. I hope we could play. So family, waited. People came. Said they had next. And whatever. So we finally got the opportunity to try to go play. So 2 other teams say they had next, which we should have been played already. So we went on the court. Now we start talking, and we're like, yo, we had next and stuff like that. Because our game would have been a game. It would have been a good game, family. Because we got real players. I'm not playing with no scrubs. So we was on the court. Now they was like, yo, y'all got to shoot for it because this is our last game. People that just came. This one dude just came.
And he was shot already.
He played already, shot, made a shot. So the other two team had to get up. So if we didn't shoot, we'd end up playing. Even though we should have been played already because we got skipped. We'd have played. So end up being we didn't get to play, but I know he's going to different cities. So he went to. So that was my city. I didn't get to play. That was the thing, but I was ready for him. But listen, family. We're gonna meet up again. I promise you. And when we meet up, you're gonna see that video. Make sure you watch that video. Okay. So listen now. So we know he was going to Tampa now. So then I'm like, damn, I'm going to Tampa. That was a Sunday. I said, damn, he going to Tampa. Tampa gonna be thick, crazy in Tampa. Family, look like I should have called that for real. And go to Tampa.
Go to Tampa.
Yeah, family. Nobody was out there.
Not like the Pizzle.
Yeah, not like the Pizzle. Not like the Pizzle. Family, if we'd have go out there with a team, or if it was during the week, we would have been out there. But it's a weekend, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Family, nobody came out there. You know what I'm saying? We could have played like about 6 times. We could have played them 6 times, and I looked. I was like, God damn, look at that. But I'm not gonna drive to Tampa because it was a hit or miss. I don't know if it was gonna be packed. Right. Or whatever, it ended up being empty,
right.
And
it could have been empty.
Yes,
it wasn't really empty. People were there, but it just wasn't.
Yeah, it was
lit.
It wasn't lit like our park.
But that could have just been in the beginning, and people started coming later on. You never know.
At first, they said everything always happened for a reason. I took pictures and stuff with him. First, he took pictures. Everybody took pictures. As I said, humble guy. His crew is humble, and it's positive vibe with him, you know what I'm saying? He don't get rowdy on the court and get crazy and stuff like that, but he just hoops, you know what I'm saying? But that was the story though, family. But other than that, we gonna meet back up, and you're gonna see it. But
Richard talked about this all night.
Yeah, you have anything to say? Go on, talk.
He just kept on saying, we should have played. They stole our necks. We should have played. Oh my God, it'd have been a good game. I felt so bad because He's been talking about this for months. Months. And he finally had the opportunity to play. And no offense, the people them that they free to play sucked. But then again, they were little kids. But come on now, you wanna get a good game.
They want people that talk crap.
Yeah.
Trash, but just in a good way to get you hyped. That's what they like.
Rich is a good trash talker.
I'm a good trash talker. So that's what they like. And the people come in, they come to your city. You gotta represent. You gotta play. But they wasn't talking what they want to hear. But other than that, that was that family. But we gonna get an opportunity again. But hear what I'm saying now. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. I'm still gonna eat my food, so
you gotta do your word of wisdom.
I'm gonna give them a word of wisdom.
Oh,
I'm not done yet.
I gotta make sure because you know.
I'm gonna give my word of wisdom, but I know you don't want to see me finish eating my food. I blabber my mouth for about 5-6 minutes, but that was the story. As I said, if you watch basketball, give him a follow.
Yeah, give him a follow.
Tell him the greedy couple sent you over there. For my basketball lovers.
If
Let
you
him know.
love basketball for real.
He's a humble dude. Just watch him. He got a story to tell. But other than that, let me give y'all beautiful people. We appreciate y'all for rocking with us. Yes, everybody, we good. Ain't nothing happened to us. We here.
And I ate all my food.
We didn't quit. Wow. Round of applause. I didn't even see that. I'm blabbing off my mouth. First they ate up all our food. So first I was hungry. So listen, let me give y'all good people this word of wisdom right here.
I didn't give myself too much because, you know, pasta can fill you up fast. Yeah.
So this is a long one, family. I want you to listen, and then really, if y'all could relate, I want you to relate. We've learned that no matter how much we care, some people don't care back. We've learned that you cannot make someone love you. All you can do is be someone who can be loved. The rest is up to them. I've learned that it takes years to build up trust and only seconds to destroy it.
Very true.
So if you could relate, relate. And if you want to participate, do your thing.
Know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Bye.
Bye.